Okay, I'm in the snow in Connecticut. There's a Snowblizzard, and that's why I'm not in school today. See, look, it's everything. You see that? I can barely see. Ugh, I feel like I'm getting sick right now. I'm not. But see, look. Yeah, see. This is the walkway to where I have to take the bus. My nose is getting all runny. I'm walking all the way down to the park. And then back. I can barely see because there's so much snow that's like getting into my eyes. And look at all that snow. You know, it went all the way up to my knees. The snow was so hard that there was snow in my sneakers. Look how tall my boots are. That's how high the snow is. How high my boots are. And my boots are really high. I can see. Whoa. Did you get that? I don't think you got that, but it was like a big thump. I don't know if you heard it, but some snow just came falling down there. See, look at all these ice caps. Ice caps. I bet I'm gonna get real. Ew, dog feed. Don't eat yellow snow, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at all this snow. I have to walk all the way. See? See? Good thing other people left footprints. I'm not. Ugh. See? Look at the sidewalk. This is actually the sidewalk. See how much snow there is on the sidewalk? Now that's bad. Good thing other people left footprints for me to step on. I can barely see now. The snow. The wind. It's still snowing. I can't see. There's too much snow and wind. I just can't see right now, guys. Oh, man, here comes a car. Good. Okay. I feel like I'm falling. Okay. You can do this, Kia. And kids, I'm making this video for my soon-to-be-born kids. Never, ever. Oh my gosh! I just stepped in some snow that did not have any footprints. I feel like I'm a horse right now, or a type of animal that has it. I feel like I'm in the Arctic. Great. Now there's snow in my boots again. I have to find a place for me to dump it out. I almost dropped my phone. That would have been bad. What? Where are the park? There's spring. I'm going there. There's just too much snow in my boots, kids. This is what I look like. I'm 12 years old. My name is Kaylee Hillman. I'm 12 years old. Oh my gosh. See how I'm huffing and puffing? That's how much work it takes. I need somewhere to just, I need the lobby. Oh my gosh. My feet are freezing cold right now. I need a lobby. Let me tell you right. You see this? This used to be grass. Whoa! Look at all those birds. This just gets deeper. I need to breathe. I need to sit down. Oh crap! Okay guys, this has been 5 minutes and 30 something seconds. Okay, let me just sit down. I need to sit down, guys. Okay. Okay, hold on, guys. Why can I get this boot off? Have to walk. I can't get my boot off. To walk all the way up to the lobby. Okay. This was a bad mistake. Let me try getting it off at least one time. Okay. There. It's coming off now. Oh my gosh. I think it's not coming off because of all the snow. Okay. Oh my god. Is there any snow? There's no snow. Oh my foot. Okay. I'm gonna walk all the way back to the lobby. My foot. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to do the snow.